In the United States, water bottles are used solely for drinking its contents and then throwing the bottle away. But in other countries, such as Africa, water bottles are crushed and formed into shoes. Today I will tell you about recycling, some of the reasons why recycling is needed, and a few ways you might get started. I will first tell you about the need for recycling. I will then tell you about some of the recycling efforts being made in our country. And lastly, I will give you some examples of what you can do at your home to get started in the recycling process and how this will help our environment. There is no time to waste, so let's get started. Because landfills today are being filled with non- or slow decomposing material, there is a need to find alternatives to landfills. Most of what we throw away is made from materials that are slowly running out or cannot be replaced quickly enough because of the amount we consume. Did you know that one glass bottle can take up to 1 million years to break down? And decomposing newspapers release methane gas into the air? Neither are good for the environment if they are in a landfill, but both are recyclable items. Most recyclable items are found in and around your home. People all over the country are recycling items such as aluminum cans, computers, cell phones, and clothes. A couple of interesting facts for you. One recycled plastic bottle would save enough energy to power a 30-watt light bulb for 6 hours. And one recycled glass bottle would save enough energy to power a computer for 25 minutes. Now let's take a look at what you can do to make a difference. There is a lot that people can do to make a difference in our environment. First, recycle paper. By recycling paper, we reduce the amount of paper going into landfills and slow down the pace that landfill sites are filling. And by reducing the amount of paper going into landfills, we reduce the amount of methane gas released into the air, slowing down the process of global warming. Second, recycle glass. It is estimated that 80% of recycled glass is made into new glass containers. A recycled glass container can go from a recycling bin to a store shelf in as little as 30 days. Third, aluminum cans. One recycled tin can would save enough energy to power a television for 3 hours. Making new aluminum cans from recycled cans uses 20 times less energy than making cans from the raw material. Fourth, recycle leaves and grass. Don't bag it. You can use up to 25% less fertilizer on your lawn by naturally fertilizing with grass clippings. And this will mean less bags of organic material in the landfills. This will save you money and labor. Let's review what we've learned today. I've informed you that our landfills are being filled with non- or slow decomposing material, which increases the need to find alternatives. Most of what we throw away is made of materials that are slowly running out or cannot be replaced quickly enough because of the amount we consume. So with your help in recycling paper, glass, aluminum cans, and lawn clippings, we can make a difference. I have shown you today the need for participation in recycling and have provided you with some easy ways to get started and how this will help our environment. My hope is that after hearing this information, you will immediately get started on recycling.